back live here, International J Travel in beautiful Boca Chica, Santo Domingo. It's a beautiful day out here, guys. Oh, share it with you? Yeah, I can do that. Here, I'll give you guys a view of what I'm looking at. We're here, we're back, we're live. Again. Gracias.
Oíste.
Sí, sí. Nothing like an ice cold Corona. Gotta be quick. Nada. Gracias, though. Okay. This is home for me. This is truly my home. Someday it really actually will be. In the meantime, let's check this out. So, if you just tuned into the channel, you're here live with International J in beautiful Boca Chica, Santo Domingo. ¿Y nada? No español. No español, really.
No?
No.
It is good.
It's good. No.
Okay. It's special for you.
No, it's okay.
Simple on the back.
Hey, no, I'm very good. No, I'm very good. My chica would not like that.
Okay, it's good massage on the back.
No.
Right. Very special. Manicure, pedicure.
Thank you, though.
Anything that you have, you are in lawn.
My chica is not gonna like that.
Okay. So welcome.
Gracias. Thank you. Yes, we will be turning things down out here in Boca Chica. Everybody is hustlers. Oh, wrong way. There we go. That being said, I want you guys to really take some time and watch this video through to the end. There's going to be priceless information in here for you guys, and I'm probably going to have to make it in 3 parts, or else it'll be an entirely too long video, and I wouldn't even sit and watch that long. So I've decided I'm gonna break this into a 3-part footman. Hey, fuck what I'm talking about. You guys go look at this. Go and look at how it looks out here. Just get a good 360 view of how beautiful it is out here. There's a beautiful breeze coming off the Caribbean Ocean. It's probably about, I'll say, 85 degrees. See how people are just sitting out there, having a beer in the middle of the ocean. The water feels like a comforting warm bath. And that breeze, oh my God, that breeze is to die for. If there's any place in the world that's beautiful, peaceful, I can't imagine where it's at. The people here are incredible. The food is amazing. And the weather is like this year round. Honestly, at this point, if you are not on the phone planning your trip out here, if you ain't never been out here before, I don't know what you're doing with your life. I really don't. Oh, yes. TikTok. My TikTok fans are, I did not go live the entire time. I was in Vegas, Miami, or DR. So, I'm not going to start now. When I get back to the United States on Sunday, I'll do a live, kind of a caption. For those of you guys who have seen this video, which none of you guys will have seen this video by then, because obviously I haven't edited it and put it out yet. But I will do an entire live session and I'll answer all your questions in the live. So if you're seeing this video, I'll do another live after this video is released. Let's see, let me give it a date. I can't tell you because I don't know when I'm gonna get this video edited. But when I do get it edited, I'll let you guys know and I'll do another live so you guys can come ask some questions and things of that nature. Right now, just look at this Caribbean Ocean. I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna let you guys just look at this ocean and imagine you're here with me. Ice cold Coronas, food fresh off the grill, seafood fresh out of the Caribbean Ocean, on one of the most beautiful places on earth. Another beautiful thing about the Dominican Republic is the cost of living is so much more affordable than the Matrix. I refuse to call America America anymore. That shit's just the Matrix. Hopefully you wake up and get the fuck out. But I can see from the look on a lot of people's faces that they don't realize that yet. Take the time to explore the world. If you don't or are unable to physically travel, then travel with me. I'm trying to see everywhere. I think I'm doing a pretty good job too. I just started the YouTube channel and just started doing this because a lot of friends of mine call me for travel advice and ask me about locations and where to go and where to stay, and then it occurred to me, I was like, well, I should probably start a YouTube channel because before I started traveling, what I used to do is go on YouTube and find out about these places I wanted to visit, and then I would watch their videos and learn where I'm going to stay and where I'm going to go, and I'll click on their links and send emails and get in contact with some of their people. Again, special shout out to GP, Coach George Peterson, out in Thailand. Bro, you don't even know. You really helped me get my game all the way together for that Thailand trip. But that's another video. Here in the beautiful Dominican Republic, if you haven't got a chance to come out and experience, or you're unable, stay with me. I will be giving you guys the most detailed videos of this locale, more than anywhere else, because this is literally home for me. My heart is here. If you guys want or have other places that you may want to visit and haven't visited yet, and you want to save yourself some trouble, you want me to do the footwork, drop a comment, like and subscribe. Be like, hey Jay, can you go check this place out? You know what I mean? And make a video, let me know how it looks. And I'll definitely get a chance to add a few of those places to my itinerary and go check them out for you guys. I hope I don't need to break out a microphone because this breeze coming off the ocean is picking up a little bit. I'm gonna look in my bag, see if I got a microphone. In the meantime, I'll give you guys another view. Stay tuned. Here live, International J in beautiful Boca Chica, Dominican Republic. Welcome back. We're back to beautiful Boca Chica. Even though you can't have a Corona, I'm here to have this one with you. Salud. Okay. Mm-hmm. You really should be in this. Alright guys, so we're gonna get some bonus footage at the beach. And of course, my face tracker wanted to do what it wanted to do. Oh, hold on. Gotta take my socks off real quick. Are you recording for all that? Okay, so say we're gonna highly edit that part of the video. I didn't really plan on it recording for all that transition while I took my shirt off, but here we go with the bonus footage. Originally, I wasn't going in this damn ocean, but I know you guys wanted to see me get in this motherfucking water, so on the gangland, you finna see me get out here. Oh, it is amazing out here. You guys want to see what I'm looking at? Here we go. Check this out. See that, guys? See how beautiful it is out here? Whoa. Well, guys, we are out here in the Caribbean Ocean for this part of the video. I forgot I got about 50,000 pesos in my pocket, so I'm gonna put these motherfuckers in my drawers so they don't get wet. Lord knows I ain't going that deep. Okay, now if make sure our money's good. And hey guys, you're here live with International J in beautiful Boca Chica. We're actually right now out here enjoying the Caribbean Ocean. As you can see, we're out here in the water. Last time I came up here, I didn't get a chance to really get in the water. Actually, I had plenty of chance to get in the water. My ass just wasn't getting in the water. That being said, I want to thank you guys for getting our channel up to 3,000 subscribers. That is a milestone for me. I appreciate each and every one of you guys that subscribe, and I'm gonna be doing everything I can to get you guys the best videos from the best locales around the world for the rest of my life. So travel with me, explore with me, come see the world with me. You're live with International J in beautiful Boca Chica, Dominican Republic. I know I've said this shit before. This is really home for me, guys. I've been a lot of places, but to me, it really doesn't get much better than the Dominican Republic. This is everyday life, everyday living. The people are respectful, courteous, always looking to help, always looking to take care of you. I don't know how much you guys get out. DR. Make sure you come check this out. Hey, if you're just tuning in the channel, we're here live with International J in the beautiful Boca Chica in the Santo. Why do I keep trying to say something? In the Dominican Republic. Too many tequila shots. But hey guys, like I said, like I promised, I'm actually out here in the water. Originally I wasn't gonna do it. I'm trying to find the best lighting for you guys. Oh, okay, see, I probably should have gave you guys this angle so you can actually see that I'm in the water out here. Wasn't really my plan, but a lot of the comments I got from viewers, something just hit my leg. I want to make sure it wasn't a fucking shark. Good news is the water is crystal clear blue, so you can see for the most part. Ah shit. Keeper for the most part. I swear there'll be little sneaky little fish under the sand. Here, let me give you guys a view. I'm gonna turn and I'm gonna turn the camera. There we go, guys. This is that beautiful Caribbean Ocean. Hey guys, I want to go so much further out there. Matter of fact, let me tuck this too. But I'm not really trying to get too wet, honestly.